Hey, Russ here. Welcome back to my shop. Today I want to talk about my sliding Deadman. They make them for workbenches for an accessory so you can put long boards on your vise. They're real common to be used around lake vices, but it's even handy to use even if all you have is a face vise. But I didn't want to do a rail system. I'm just going to take advantage of my bench dog holes I already have, and I showed you how those work in conjunction with my vise. Well, now with my Deadman, I can just put it up there. I put a board here, and this board has two rows, vertical rows of bench dogs, and they're all set from each other. And I can take this. I have three in that top plate. These two will fit any two holes as you go through here. So if I want, I can anchor it with two bench dogs, or I can just do it quickly with just one if that's what I feel like doing. And that's enough to hold it if all I need is to hold the end of the board. So it's easy and quick to put in place. And like I said, if you really want to lock it down, you put that one in, put the second one in there, and now this is nice and sturdy and really nice and flat if you need it to be that way. As far as putting the board up here, you can put a bench dog in it, and now I can take and support, even no matter how long the board is. I just move this out further so I can get up to a 3-foot support from the vise at either end on this. And I guess if I really had to, I could make a second one so I could put two of them in here, but I don't know that that'll be necessary. That gives me my support here at this point. So it really is going to work handy. Also, I did manage to take this. If you anchor it with your double supports, then I can take and put two of them in here. One under and one at the end here. And because this is anchored, I can bring this in and use this one as a stop. And if I tighten my board up here this way, now this board is solid if I'm pushing in that direction. So this thing will really help hold this thing nice and solid. Go down, it's flat against the back here in line with the vise. So everything lines up nice and neat and gives you pretty good support on a board when you put it in there. If you want to, you can take and use it as a stop. So if I wanted to anchor this board down to work on the face on my vise using this, and I showed you how to do that with your face vise last time with two bench dogs, get a 3-point contact, but you can also butt it right up to that and then lock it down, and this will give you a nice stop. So you can also use this as a stop when you anchor it down. So it works real well. It really is going to add to the capabilities of my vise. It's a sliding Deadman, only it doesn't slide. So, but I like it. I think it'll be a great addition. And I have one hole in back here, so that when I'm not using it, now all I have to do is I just put a bench dog in one of the holes, and this thing just sits right there. So now that's where it'll be if I need it. So nice little addition to my workbench and to my vise, my face vise, to be able to use it. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. I'm glad you stopped by. If you have any comments about it or ideas, let me know. If you like this video, please say so. Most importantly though, please come back again because we're nowhere near done. We'll see you again soon.